Imagine a world where computers can solve problems in seconds, problems that would take classical computers billions of years to crack. That's the promise of quantum computing, and it's not science fiction, it's happening right now. We're on the cusp of a technological revolution, a seismic shift that will reshape industries from medicine to finance to materials science. The question isn't if this revolution will happen, but who will lead it. And that's where 𝗗𝗜𝗦𝗡𝗧 comes in with ticker symbol QBTS. 𝗗𝗜𝗦 is a pioneer in the field of quantum computing, a company that's been pushing the boundaries of what's possible for over 2 decades. They're not just talking about the future, they're building it, creating the hardware and software that will power the quantum revolution. It's about solving the unsolvable, tackling challenges that have stumped scientists and engineers for generations. The potential is limitless, and 𝗗𝗜𝗦 is at the forefront of this technological tsunami. 𝗗𝗜𝗦 is uniquely positioned to capitalize on the quantum computing boom. They're not just developing cutting-edge technology, they're also building a robust commercial ecosystem around it. They're partnering with industry leaders, from Volkswagen to Lockheed Martin, to solve real-world problems. These aren't pie-in-the-sky pilot projects, they're concrete examples of how 𝗗𝗜𝗦's technology is already making a difference. Experts predict that the global quantum computing market will reach tens of billions of dollars in the next few years. That's an incredible opportunity for investors who get in early. They're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing. They're not content with being a first mover, they want to be the long-term leader in this transformative industry. And that's what makes 𝗗𝗜𝗦 such a compelling investment opportunity. What if I told you that you could invest in a company that's developing the computers of tomorrow today? What if I told you that this company is already working with some of the biggest names in business and government? What if I told you that this company has the potential to generate life-changing returns for early investors? Well, I am telling you, 𝗗𝗜𝗦 Quantum is that company. Now, I know what you're thinking. Quantum computing sounds complicated, and you're right, it is. But you don't need to be a physicist to understand the investment opportunity here. All you need to know is that 𝗗𝗜𝗦 is at the forefront of a technological revolution, and they're in a prime position to profit from it. We'll break down the complexities of quantum computing into easily digestible insights, giving you the knowledge you need to make an informed investment decision. So, buckle up, and get ready to explore the exciting world of 𝗗𝗜𝗦 Quantum. Alright, let's dive into the heart of 𝗗𝗜𝗦 and unravel the mystery of their quantum computers. Traditional computers store information as bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either on or off, representing a 1 or a 0. Quantum computers, on the other hand, operate on a whole different level. They use qubits, which are like superpowered bits. Imagine a qubit not just as a switch that's on or off, but as a dimmer switch that can be both on and off at the same time, existing in multiple states simultaneously. This mind-bending concept is called superposition, and it's one of the key principles that gives quantum computers their incredible power. And 𝗗𝗜𝗦 is harnessing this power with their unique approach to quantum computing called quantum annealing. Think of quantum annealing as finding the lowest point in a vast, complex landscape. A classical computer would have to explore each hill and valley one by one to find the absolute lowest point, which could take an eternity. But a quantum annealer, like those built by 𝗗𝗜𝗦, can explore all the possibilities simultaneously, instantly collapsing to the optimal solution. Beyond bits and bytes, the power of quantum annealing. Now you might be thinking, okay, quantum annealing sounds cool, but how does it actually work in the real world? Well, let me give you an example. Imagine a company like Volkswagen, a global automaker with a vast network of suppliers and factories. They need to find the most efficient way to transport parts and vehicles all over the world, minimizing costs and delivery times. This is a logistical nightmare, a problem with millions of variables and countless possible solutions. A classical computer would choke on this kind of complexity, but 𝗗𝗜𝗦's quantum annealer can analyze all the variables simultaneously, factoring in things like traffic patterns, weather conditions, and even fuel prices to determine the absolute optimal route for every vehicle in their fleet. And the applications go far beyond logistics. In finance, 𝗗𝗜𝗦's technology is being used to develop more sophisticated trading algorithms that can analyze market data in real time, identifying profitable opportunities and mitigating risks with unprecedented accuracy. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to help our channel grow. Real-world results. 𝗗𝗜𝗦's quantum advantage in action. But don't just take my word for it. 𝗗𝗜𝗦 has a proven track record of delivering real-world results. They've been working with industry leaders for years, helping them solve complex problems and gain a competitive edge. For example, they partnered with Volkswagen to optimize traffic flow in Lisbon, Portugal, using their quantum annealer to analyze data from thousands of taxis and develop a system that reduced congestion by up to 10%. They've also worked with financial institutions like Banco Santander to improve their risk assessment models, using quantum annealing to analyze massive data sets and identify potential financial risks with greater accuracy than ever before. These are not just theoretical experiments, these are real-world applications where D-Wave's technology is already making a tangible difference. Companies that have partnered with D-Wave have reported significant improvements in efficiency, cost savings, and even revenue growth. These successes are a testament to the power of D-Wave's technology and their ability to deliver on their promises. The quantum market, a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. Now let's talk about the bigger picture, the market opportunity for D-Wave. The quantum computing market is projected to explode in the coming years, reaching tens of billions of dollars. We're talking about a massive, untapped market with the potential to dwarf even the most successful tech sectors of today. Almost every industry can benefit from the power of quantum computing. From healthcare to finance, from materials science to artificial intelligence, the possibilities are virtually endless. And D-Wave, with its first-mover advantage and proven technology, is in a prime position to capitalize on this explosive growth. We're not just talking about incremental improvements here, we're talking about game-changing breakthroughs that can revolutionize entire industries. D-Wave's competitive edge, first-mover advantage, and beyond. Now you might be wondering, okay, the market sounds great, but what about the competition? And it's true, D-Wave isn't the only player in the quantum computing game. But here's the thing, they have a significant first-mover advantage. They've been in this space for over 2 decades, refining their technology, building a robust patent portfolio, and establishing themselves as the industry leader. They've had a head start in understanding the complexities of quantum computing and developing practical solutions for real-world problems. But D-Wave's competitive edge goes beyond just being first. They've also been laser-focused on building a strong commercial ecosystem around their technology. These partnerships are not just about research and development, they're about driving adoption, creating tangible use cases, and establishing D-Wave as the go-to provider for quantum computing solutions. They're not just building quantum computers, they're building a quantum future. Navigating the risks, understanding the quantum landscape. Now, it wouldn't be a responsible investment discussion without addressing the risks. And like any emerging technology, quantum computing comes with its own set of challenges and uncertainties. One of the biggest challenges is the technical complexity of building and scaling quantum computers. These machines are incredibly sensitive and require highly specialized expertise to operate and maintain. Another challenge is the development of quantum algorithms and software. While the hardware is evolving rapidly, we're still in the early stages of figuring out how to best harness the power of quantum computers for practical applications. And then there's the competitive landscape. Other tech giants like IBM, Google, and Microsoft are also investing heavily in quantum computing, and the competition is only going to intensify in the coming years. D-Wave's strategic partnerships, fueling growth and adoption. And they're not standing still. D-Wave is actively investing in research and development, forging strategic partnerships, and expanding their global footprint. They're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with quantum computing, and their commitment to innovation gives them a significant edge in mitigating risks and staying ahead of the curve. Another key aspect of D-Wave's risk mitigation strategy is their focus on building a diverse customer base. This diversification helps spread the risk and ensures that D-Wave is well positioned to capitalize on the growth of the quantum computing market across multiple sectors. D-Wave's business model, a multi-pronged approach. Now let's take a closer look at D-Wave's business model, because understanding how they make money is key to assessing their investment potential. D-Wave has adopted a smart, multi-pronged approach that generates revenue from various sources, ensuring they're well positioned for long-term success. Firstly, they sell their quantum computing systems directly to large enterprises and research institutions. These systems represent a significant upfront investment for customers, but they offer unparalleled computing power for tackling complex problems that are impossible for classical computers to solve. Secondly, D-Wave provides cloud-based access to their quantum computers. This model makes their technology accessible to a wider range of customers, including startups, smaller businesses, and research groups who may not have the resources to purchase their own systems outright. Cloud access allows more users to experience the power of D-Wave's technology without the significant capital expenditure. This approach not only broadens their customer base, but also generates recurring revenue, creating a more predictable and sustainable income stream. Thirdly, D-Wave offers professional services, consulting with businesses to identify how quantum computing can be applied to their specific challenges. Financial performance and growth trajectory. Now let's talk numbers. D-Wave has been demonstrating impressive growth. They've been consistently increasing their revenue year over year, a clear indication of the growing demand for their quantum computing solutions. While they're not yet profitable, their financial trajectory is heading in the right direction. Their gross margins are expanding, indicating that they're becoming more efficient in delivering their products and services. And their customer base is rapidly expanding, with more and more companies across various industries recognizing the transformative potential of quantum computing. Remember, investing in emerging technologies is not about chasing short-term profits. It's about identifying companies with a strong competitive advantage, a clear vision for the future, and the ability to execute on their plans. The time is now, positioning yourself for quantum profits. Now you might be thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but is now the right time to invest? And my answer is a resounding yes. The quantum computing market is still in its infancy, which means there's tremendous potential for growth. Early investors in companies like Amazon and Apple saw their investments multiply as those companies rode the wave of technological change, and I believe D-Wave has the potential to be the next Amazon or Apple of the quantum computing era. Remember, fortunes are made by those who have the foresight to recognize groundbreaking technologies early on and the courage to invest before they become mainstream. The quantum computing revolution is happening right now, and D-Wave is at the forefront of this transformative shift. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of this incredible journey. The future is quantum D-Wave's trajectory. As we've explored throughout this video, D-Wave is not just a company, it's a vision of the future. A future where complex problems that have stumped us for centuries are solved in minutes, where diseases are eradicated with personalized medicine, and where the boundaries of human ingenuity are constantly pushed further. D-Wave is building the tools that will make this future a reality, and their trajectory is clear: continued innovation, expansion into new markets, and strategic partnerships that solidify their position as the leader in quantum computing. They are not content with simply riding the wave of this technological revolution. They are actively shaping its course. Imagine a world where D-Wave's quantum computers are used to design life-saving drugs with unprecedented speed and precision, where they optimize global supply chains to eliminate waste and reduce our carbon footprint, and where they power artificial intelligence systems that surpass human capabilities in countless fields. This is the future that D-Wave is building, and it's a future worth investing in. Don't just watch the revolution, invest in it. Now, I've shared with you the incredible potential of D-Wave and the transformative power of quantum computing. You've seen how their technology works, the real-world problems they're already solving, and the massive market opportunity that lies ahead. But here's the crucial question. Are you going to be a spectator in this technological revolution, watching from the sidelines as others reap the rewards? Or are you going to seize this opportunity, join the ranks of those who recognize the potential of companies like Amazon and Apple early on, and position yourself for potentially life-changing returns? Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's about being a part of something bigger, something that has the power to change the world. And D-Wave, with its unwavering commitment to innovation, its proven track record, and its bold vision for the future, offers a rare opportunity to do just that. Join the quantum future with D-Wave. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Do your own research, delve deeper into the world of D-Wave and quantum computing, and decide for yourself if this is an investment that aligns with your financial goals and your belief in the power of technology to shape a better future. As with any investment, there are risks involved, but the potential rewards of being an early investor in a company that's at the forefront of a technological revolution are simply too great to ignore. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the exciting world of D-Wave and quantum computing. If you found this video insightful and you're ready to join the quantum future, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of game-changing investment opportunities. Until next time, keep innovating, keep exploring, and keep investing in the future.